What is the best niche for affiliate marketing in 2019? Coming right up. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you the best niche that you can start in affiliate marketing in 2019. And before we go on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, let's go to the video. So what is the best niche to be in affiliate marketing in 2019? Because if you haven't checked out my previous videos about the top 3 niches in affiliate marketing, there's going to be a link on top of this video and you can check that video out. So as a recap, the 3 most profitable niches in affiliate marketing in 2019, the number 1 is the make money online or the make money niche. That's regarding about health, investing, basically generating income from anywhere, passive or active types of income. Number 2 niche is the health and wellness. That's basically like weight loss, nutrition products. Basically not just preventing diseases, but also encouraging wellness in a general sense, like having a healthy diet, those sorts of stuff. And the number 3 is with relationship. People will always have problems with relationship, so you can teach them about how to have a better relationship with your coworkers, with your parents, with your kids, with grandparents. There's a wide variety that you can focus on, but the best way for me, the best niche that you can start in affiliate marketing, and that is the make money online niche. Why would I say that? Because the make money online niche is probably the broadest niche that you can get into. Because right now there's already cryptocurrency, right? So people are actually making really good money in cryptocurrency, and there's always going to be something innovative for you to make money online, right? So there's like an automated bots right now. You can use tools, and marketing is really easy right now because of innovation in regards of software that you can use. Like right now, you can have bots basically just doing a lot of tasks in Twitter, Instagram, and now on Facebook. I'm using tools that definitely help me just search for the right people of my target audience, and then just target them, and then just add them and build them as an audience. So we have tools right now. So the make money online niche is never been better before because of those tools that are now available to us today. So as proof to you guys, so why would I say that? Why would I say that the make money online niche is probably the best affiliate or niche that you can start in affiliate marketing? So we'll do a little bit of research as proof to you guys that it is actually the most searched um, content or the most searched information in the world, right? So this is if I'm gonna do a research. Amazon is probably one of the best places that you can start with, right? Because Amazon right now is probably the largest retail store in the world. So basically, people are just searching products here for some information that can help them solve their problems. So as proof, I will say here, make money online, right? And this is our result. So you can see here, right? There's basically tons of topics that you can just so here, sell it online, make money online, blogging, online oil fields. There's tons of topics here. Drop shipping now. Yes, drop shipping. You can make really good money in drop shipping. See, there's a lot of ways for you to make money online. It's just not about affiliate marketing, but also you can do drop shipping. Amazon being an Amazon affiliate, cannabis stocks. See, there's a lot of good companies out there that are publicly traded in as terms of using cannabis as their main portfolio. So yeah, people are making money now. YouTube, yes, you can make money. Definitely make money. YouTube, forex, yes. See, you can make money on basically a lot of things, but no, it's not limited to just affiliate marketing. So there's a tons of ways for you to make money online. And let's see here. So we'll go also to YouTube. Let's say make money online. You see here, if you can see this, I don't know if I can zoom. It's 8,100 per month search volume. So imagine that kind of traffic that people are actually, just searching for this general topic. So the make money online, guys. So Let's check out the best videos here. So you see here, it's have like 150,000 views by this channel. So people are searching this every single month. And here, if you can see here on the right side corner of the screen, you see here the search volume. I'm using a tool by TubeBuddy. So this is search volume. It's 2.13 million search volumes every single month. So basically, people are searching this type of topic every single month. So people are actually, wants to make money online, right? And also we'll go to Google. Let's say make money online. So there's a lot of topic here. You can make money online. You can make money online gaming, by taking surveys, by you going to Reddit. There's a lot of ways to make money online. Like you can also work from home. See, work from home job. So that's basically making money online because you can't work any other task online at home if it's not online, right? So work from home jobs. People are searching for that keyword or for that type of topic. 14,800 per month. So that's huge, guys. So for me, that's already a good information to tell me that this is probably the best niche that I could start with. That's why I'm modeling my channel on how to make money online. So other topics surrounding that is about marketing, motivation, and mindset, right? Because these are actually the three things that you need to learn because you need to learn how to market. Because we're not here to to sell people that don't want to make money online. For example, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're selling weight loss product, right? You don't want to sell your products to people who are not into weight loss, right? You're not going to make money on that. So the best way is to save you time, it save you loads of money and effort and frustrations. You gotta learn how to market. That's why I'm talking about how to generate leads here, how to use Twitter, Facebook, being about on Facebook your organic reach, those sort of topic, because that will help you market what you have to offer to people who are already there, ready to buy what your what your products are, right? So that's what amazing. So motivation, because it does take effort, and people sometimes, when they don't get results, they just quit. So sometimes you have to teach them motivation to say, hey, there's always the light at the end of the tunnel, right? Yeah, as long as you keep doing the effort, success is almost guaranteed, right? And also mindset, because it is to be you gotta have a different mindset if you're gonna be an entrepreneur, because making money online does require a entrepreneurial mindset. So having that kind of mindset, right, will definitely set you up for success. Because if you have the wrong mindset, you will not succeed, guys. If you have a different mindset, like an employee mindset, that what you expect, what you're doing right now is going to get paid at the end of the week. Sometimes that's not going to happen. Sometimes your effort is going to take years, and then you will get your reward after a couple of years, right? So that's how it is. That's how success works. So success, like, it's not spelled that going up. It's success is going up and down. That's how you write the word success. So that's it, guys. So for me, to tell you honestly, that's why I chose the make money online niche, because people are actually having more problems with money right now. Right here in Canada, people can't survive on just one source of income. They have to have two or three more sources of income. That's why people are really struggling here. I see it. I have experienced it, and that's why I'm on this niche, so that I can serve more people and help them, have a better life for themselves and for their family. All right, guys. So that's it for today. I really hope that you get value from this video. Now, if you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think that people still need to learn how to make money online, or are they better off with just one income source, right? Or they're just better off in their job, right? So let me know. Let me know what you guys think. If people are making money online is a scam or a pyramid, just let me know, guys, so that we can have that good conversation here. All right, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.